Yes, honey. You sleepy, honey? Are you sleepy? Quinn! Quinn! Hi, sweet girl. Cash, did you know that Quinn is 10 months old today? She's 10 months old. Yeah. Hi, little Quinn. Hello, my sweet girl. She is crawling all over the place and eating everything. And it's almost time to take a nap. Yeah. Oh, you don't want to take a nap, Cash? No. Okay. You don't have to until probably another hour. But Quinn has to take one pretty soon. Yes, honey.
Apple juice.
You want apple juice?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you say?
Thank you.
That's very nice. Okay, let's go get Cash some apple juice because he asked so nicely. Say bye-bye.